Now, there are so many AI tools, and one of the prominent ones is Gemini. With Gemini, if you wanted to generate photos, you can do that. In this video, we'll talk about how to generate photos with Google Gemini. For this, open the Google Gemini application. After that, open a new tab. And if you want to create an image here, you can see the Create Image option. Click on that, and after that, you need to describe your image. And another thing is that it's not necessary to click on Create Image. Without clicking on this Create Image, you can also generate an image. For example, you can type here like Create Image or Generate Image. It's just that Google Gemini should understand that you want an image. For example, I'm typing Generate Image, and after that, you need to describe your image. For example, I'm typing something like this. After that, click on the Send button. When you're clicking on that, Google Gemini will generate one image for you. And one thing is that here, the prompt which I have given is one small prompt, but when you're giving a prompt, don't give this type of small prompt. It should be a big prompt. Now, here you can see that image. It's a good image, but in this prompt, if you're giving more details, you'll get better results. Like, you should mention what should be the age of this man, what should be his color, what should be his dress, what should be his race, and what he should be wearing, and what should be the background, everything you should mention. If you're mentioning more details, you'll get better results, and you'll get the image that was there in your mind. So, prompting is important. Give maximum details. And another trick to give a good prompt is that you can go to a new page and ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you. For that, you can tell ChatGPT, you are a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience or something like that, and generate a prompt for me to generate a photo, and after that, you can give details of that photo. And in that also, you should give maximum details, and after that, you can copy that prompt. And when you're pasting it in a new page, you'll get better results, so you can try that out also. Now, anyways, with this short prompt also, I have got one good image, and if you want to save this image, just click on it, and here you can see the Save button. When you're clicking on that, that image will be saved to your phone's gallery. And another thing is that if you want to make any changes in this photo, you can do that also. For this, what you need to do is, down here, you can mention those changes. After that, click on the Send button. When you're clicking on that, Google Gemini will generate one more photo for you with the edited image and corrections. Anyways, after that, if you want to blend another photo with this photo, you can do that also. For example, I want to place one phone in his hand. For that, click on this plus button and then select Gallery or Camera. For example, I'm selecting Gallery, and I'm selecting one photo. After that, click on this Add button, and you can blend this photo into that photo. After that, you will get a result. Now, here you can see this one is there in his hand. So, I have blended two photos. So, likewise, if you're having a photo of you in another good background, you can place your photo in that good background so that it will make that photo beautiful, so you can do that also. So, this way, you can easily generate photos in Google Gemini. I think I have covered most of the things here. If you think I have missed anything, just comment down below so others can understand that, and it will be useful for them. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.